teams and organizations in these uncertain times is not easy. Last few months have been a lot about survival, of trying to figure out things, keeping the lights on. As a leader, you must have been stretched in all directions, keeping your teams engaged, keeping them motivated, managing client expectations, trying to grow your business. It's not easy, it's tough. Some of you might be feeling the strain now, and some of you might be even worried about your own future. But remember, it's not over as yet. And how you show up as a leader between now and the next few months can make a lot of difference to you, to your teams, and to your business. How you show up powerfully as a leader, and more importantly, as a human being. So, here are 6 things which are okay for a leader to do in these uncertain times. Number 1, it's okay for a leader to seek and ask for help. We all have been deeply impacted by the current crisis, personally and professionally. So if you need some help, if you need to talk to someone, go out there and seek out. We usually don't seek help because we don't want to be vulnerable. We're not sure what people will think about us. We think that people will think less of a leader if we go and ask for help. Nothing can be farther away from the truth. When you share, when you express, when you seek out, when you seek support, you're only being human. It helps you to connect, it helps you to bond better, it helps you to build trust and intimacy. Number 2, it's okay as a leader for you to accept that you do not have all the answers. Well, nobody has all the answers. These are uncertain times. A lot of times you struggle to find answers, but you are afraid to admit in front of your own teams. So it's okay to say, I don't have an answer, but we will work together to find the answer. Number 3, it's okay to practice self-care. Now, last several months, you have been worried a lot about your teams, their physical safety, their wellness, their well-being. But what about you? Your teams are important and so are you. Number 4, it's okay to take a pause. And I'm not talking about small breaks in between work. I'm talking about deliberate, intentional pauses to slow down, to reflect. How far have you come in the last few months? What have you learned and where do you want to go? Sometimes this type of slowing down can help you in speeding up eventually. Number 5, it's okay as a leader to admit that you made a mistake. Well, these are uncertain times and decisions are never good or bad. Some outcome may not have been in your favor, and it's okay to admit that mistake, learn from it, and move on. And finally, number 6, it's okay to let your teams be on their own. You do not have to be around 24/7. Just make your expectations clear and let them be on their own. Build that trust in a remote working environment. So I hope these 6 things which are okay for a leader to do can help you show up more powerfully, not just as a leader, but also as a human being. And these can help you navigate the uncertain times ahead. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.